Konting instruction lang mga student. No, intawag ko ti 10 female, please tumakder kayo. Itawag ko di 16 female tumakder kayo. Kat no, itawag ko di 10 female tumakder, dagitay lalaki mat nga. Dagitay graduates lang. Nya. So, itinagan iti Puputi Technical Vocational Institute Incorporation, iti kakalaggan puttul apayaw, kin iti inagan dagiti trainer iti Puputi Technical Vocational Institute Incorporation. We are proud to present to you, sir, our graduates of agricultural crop production in situ. For 42 days of endeavor and hardship, tapno ikasta madanon daday ito yung aldaw nga apanda pa nag-graduate. Sir, we have 26 graduates, 2 batches. First batch, we have 16, and the second batch, we have 10. So, a total of 26 graduates. Now, I am proud to present to you 10 males. 10 males, please stand. And 16 female candidates for graduation for agricultural crop production in situ. With 16 immersionists, sir. Please stand.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So, good afternoon to all. Okay, so, after the recommendation of your trainer that you had finished the 40 days training in agricultural crop production for almost 42 days of hardship in the field for how many students pala? 10 male and 16 females, including the immersionists coming from the Tawid National High School, tama? And of course, with the concurrence of your school administrator and the president, Sir Larry Puputi, and being the provincial director of the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, I now confirm you as graduates. Congratulations to all of you. Okay, please sit down.
And now is the message of the director of TESDA, Sir Glenn.
May sabi mo, Bing, inagungtang, parehas mo lang tikas ng mga lagungat, yun, nakaisog lang na. So kahit nasawan, depende ng treat tayo matlang iti situation. So, that's the same with us. No pinangkita yung kat narigat tibiyag, narigat talaga. No pinangkita yung kat narigat tibiyag, pero part of biyag, hindi 20 party ganos na tibiyag. May bagbagak de tagatidwang ubing ko, kadapay lang di high school, di malang na mo, atang gamit tigat, nagtatrabaho mo lang di TESDA. So nagkiniya na amo, kahit mo tibiyag nga wag tirigat. Yes, Dad. Napi mo rin. Kahit mo, at dahil yung white plains si Jai. Di ba, isang miso na, the white plains kami ng ibagbaga. Jai yan ti Campo-Santo. Yan ti awang tirigat na lugar. Siyempre, Madina. Okay, so tibiyag, talaga nga kaagiban ko yung tirigat. And of course, tirigat and happiness. Okay? Tatay, nadlaw ko ni Apo Pastor na may i-start na i-message na in terms of naging the Bible. Pero this time, combine ko. At kung mag-share ti may isang updation, ti may isang university president, yan, ti US. Imagine nyo nga pa ito dyan US. Okay? Wala siya kanak, hindi nga naman ni dyan. Ingat kita nyo, baka sabali ti may imagine nyo. Okay? Wala dating US President, the University President, hanggang US President, University diba? Siyempre, English na ito Gentlemen and ladies, wala na dyan students na nagado. If you think education is expensive, wala na dyan. You try ignorance. Ilocano tayo. Ang pinangkita yung kat adal kat nangina. Ipadas yung mga ignoramos. Ipadas yung awan adal na. In your analysis, hindi natin pinakita yun. Nagasgastos ba tiya eskwela o nagasgastos tiya awan amuna? So, that di kaya kasawa. So, kung imagine mo tayo piman, i-compare tayo dagiti the country nga highly educated. I-compare mo the country nga uneducated much because anay na gulo. Diba? Dakulti difference na. Japan, highly literate or highly educated dito tao dyan. Makita mo asal sa tibyan na. Di party Africa nga among nakurapay da ang na-develop yung country na ado ti gulo. Diba? Most of them are not educated. So, let us be literate and let us be educated. And I'd like to thank all of you for undergoing this 42 days training at the ACP and at the same time enhancing also like the high school the skills yung the ACP. Okay? Definitely, pinakita na kayo ka immersionist abuti na adal yung iti while na ko iti field nga natin. Tama ba? Ano nga days ti immersion yun? 10 days? Uy, mababaw lang yung 10 days na dyan. Baka nagpupuk kayo lang titakin ti baboy ko. Nalpasan. So, ano kayo? Ano nga natin nyo dyan? Martilyo lang ti kanti ka. Posting. Harvest posting. Ay, composting. So, dyan ko ng ti president. Okay?